All right, so you've looked around the internet, you've studied AirCrete, you've looked at domes, you don't like domes. Maybe you've even attended workshops or bought an online course. What you find all too often is when you attend a workshop, they don't really care about the students. And you leave with a lot of questions. You leave with a lot of people's opinions floating around in your mind. Other people are selling online workshops. They don't actually live in these domes. They tell you, hey, let's stick some dirt in a bag and let's put it on some AirCrete and then we're going to have this comfortable, beautiful home. Well, truth is, what you find in a first world country where we expect comfort, that these homes do not deliver comfort. People are very often way too hot in the summer, way too cold in the winter, and spending way too much money on energy. And so it becomes a very poor choice of home. And the thing is, the people teaching these things, whether it's in an online course or even in a workshop, they don't even understand the why behind what they're doing, and they don't understand all of the aspects that make a home. And that's what our workshop has sought to remedy. I'm taking over 30 years of experience in the industry and in alternative construction, and I'm putting it within as little as 1 day in your hands. So when you attend one of our workshops for 10 days or even 1 day, you choose. We will make sure, because we put the student first, we will make sure that you put your hands on every aspect of the building process and that you understand why you're doing what you're doing. And more than that, we're going to give you the tools to do the engineering and the math to know your house is strong enough, to know how much is it going to take to heat and cool your house in my climate. Because, you know, not everybody lives in a perfect environment where it's 50 at night and 100 during the day, or it's 72 degrees year round. Most of us live in places where it gets very cold in the winter and it can get very hot in the summer. And so we're going to put all of these tools in your hands. And not only that, we're going to give you free consulting time so that if at any time you get stuck or you have a doubt or you have a question or you just want to talk about something, you'll be able to reach out to us and get a live consultation, one-on-one. And also, in upcoming days, look for webinars, because we'll be answering a lot of your questions for free in webinars. And so, if you would like to find out more about attending one of our workshops, click the link below in the description and sign up for our email list. Stay updated with our workshops and come attend one of our workshops, but do it quickly because seats are limited.